Result set and JDBC row set, if you compare, how many differences? Result set and JDBC row set. Result set and JDBC row set, if you compare, you will get only 3 differences. JDBC row set and cached row set, if you compare, only 1 difference. Result set and cached row set, if you compare, 4 differences. Result set to JDBC row set, 3. Connected, same. 3 differences. JDBC row set, cached row set, if you compare, 1. That is connected, this is disconnected. Result set and cached row set, if you compare, 4 differences. See, here in this first line only driver loaded, because this is Oracle cached row set, it will load Oracle driver. Oracle driver, type 2 driver also, type 4 driver also, class name same. That's what it is loaded. If you write URL type 2 works. If you write type 4 works. That too, this class is only for Oracle. Now, suppose if you want to change the database, what are the changes required here? This class name you have to change, URL you have to change, user you have to change, password you have to change. Remaining Java code is same. Okay. Is it over? Now, total 5 row sets. JDBC row set, cached row set completed. Okay. Next, web row set. Web row set. Web row set, no done. It is same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to write. It is same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to write web row set data to XML file. It is same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to write web row set data to XML file. It is same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to write web row set data to XML file. It is same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to write web row set data to XML file. That is the reason they given name web. It is internet application related XML concept. This whatever is generated XML file we can use in web applications. Generated XML file can be used in web applications. Generated XML file can be used in web applications. Web application, just after 2-3 days you will learn, after 2 days. Okay, like Solid's purpose is web application. At the time you will learn. Now how to generate XML file I'll show you, and that XML file we can use in web application. So after JDBC, you learn solids. Solid specification for developing web application only. That is you are going to see. Now, web rosette, cached rosette, all same. Web rosette is a serializable. Web rosette is a disconnected. Web rosette is a Java bean. For getting web rosette, only web rosette implementation class required. So what are the points I given for cached rosette? Here also same. It is same as cached rosette, but additionally, it allows to write web rosette data to XML file. The data you can write to XML file, and that is automatically generated. Generated XML file can be used in web application. How to use, I'll show you. How to generate, I'll show you. How to use later in solids. See Java P, Java x.sql.rosette.web rosette. Here separate methods are there for writing rosette data to XML file. Here separate methods are there. In this web rosette, specific methods are there. Now write this all. These two methods, write it. The above methods are used to write web rosette data to XML file. The above methods are used to write web rosette data to XML file. The above methods are used to write web rosette data to XML file. Both the methods are for XML file only. The above methods are used to write web rosette data to XML file. What's the difference between first method, second method? Write XML, write XML. Method name same, parameter different. What's the difference? Here, now write XML, write XML. Method name same, parameter list different. It is method overloading. Method overloading. What's the difference you identified? IO exception you identified. This is not, I am not asking. This one. Writer output stream. What's the difference? Writer is a character stream. Output stream is a byte stream. If the class name ends with reader, writer, that is character stream. If the class name ends with stream, that is byte stream. File reader, file writer, buffered writer, input stream reader, output stream writer. These all character streams. Input stream, output stream, print stream, data input stream, data output stream, object input stream, object output stream, file like a file input stream, file output stream. These all byte streams. If the class name ends with stream, that is byte stream. The class name ends with reader, writer, that is character stream. That's the difference. Writer is a character stream, output stream is a byte stream. Note down. Writer is a character stream. Output stream is a byte stream. Writer is a character stream, output stream is a byte stream. That's the difference. Now these methods you have to use to generate XML file. Is it over? Now web browser, see. Suppose web browser demo, main method, finish. Here web browser WRS equal to new Oracle web browser. Okay. Now WRS dot set URL GDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at localhost 1521XE. WRS dot set username. Now system WRS dot set password manager. WRS dot set command. Select star from student. WRS dot execute. Now again, if you write WRS dot next, if you display while loop, if you write, then no difference between cached row set, web row set. Suppose if you write like this, if while loop WRS dot next, and here if you write system dot out dot println WRS dot getInt plus /t. Next system dot out dot print WRS dot get string 2 plus /t. System dot out dot println WRS dot getInt 3. If you write like this, then no difference between cached row set and web row set. If you write like this, if you write like this, no difference between cached row set, web row set. At least JDBC row set to cached row set, one difference is there. That is connected, disconnected. But web row set, cached row set, there is no difference. Now, if you print, you'll get a same output, and no difference. Internally also no difference. If you write like this. If you write like this, internally also no difference. Now, if you want connected object, you can go for JDBC row set. If you want disconnected object, you have to go for cached row set. If you want to generate XML file, you have to use web row set. That's what this is. Writing like this is no use. It is unnecessary, waste. Instead of this, cached row set is better. Okay, cached row set, web row set, same. If you print like that. Now, if you want to generate XML file, then we can use this. Just now methods are given. Write XML, write XML. In the place of writer, you can pass file writer. In the place of output stream, you can pass file output stream. Because output stream is a superclass. Output stream is a superclass. And file output stream is a subclass. File output stream is a subclass. In the place of output stream, if you pass file output stream, this concept is called Upcasting. Upcasting done by system automatically. Upcasting always valid. So in the place of output stream, I'm going to pass file output stream. File output stream is a subclass. Subclass object, if you assign to superclass, that concept is called upcasting. Upcasting done by system implicitly. Upcasting always valid. So in the place of output stream, I'm going to write file output stream. File output stream, FOS, equal to new file output stream. Now here one file name we have to write. Any one file name. Suppose student.xml. I'll write. Okay. Now this file open for writing. This file open for writing. Now this file is going to be generated if you write like this. WRS dot write XML. Write XML FOS. Now write XML FOS. Then generated. Okay, this I'll make it exception. Then all exceptions handled. Now you observe first up to here we'll get a results web rosette. Data also from database it comes. That data written to this file. So web rosette here in first line driver loaded, second line URL settled, third one username, password, command executed, you'll get a rosette. In that rosette data will be there. That data returned to this file. Which file? Student.xml. Now this file automatically generated. Now you can see, right click, run as Java application. Okay. Now it is generated. I didn't write any output. That's what output not displayed. Now one XML file, it is automatically generated. That is, you can see here. Now my workspace is on desktop 4 p.m. batch I given. Okay. In this 4 p.m. batch, JDBC folder here, you observe one XML file generated just now, 444. See, 8/3/2023, just now, 444 generated. Okay. This file automatically generated. Now generated. You can open this. See, it is an XML file automatically generated. Data will be here. See, roll number, name, marks, roll number, name, marks. That is roll number, name, marks. So this is automatically one file generated. What is the use of this file is, while developing real-time projects, one project may requires many technologies. Java, .NET, Python, like that multiple technologies may require. In that situation, one technology to another technology, if you want to transfer data, we'll use XML. That purpose we use. So this data, if it is in XML, Java programmer can use the data, .NET programmer can use, Python programmer can use, multiple different programmers can use this data. Data transferring purpose we use XML. So this file automatically generated. You observe, it is automatically generated. This purpose web rosette. Now write this XML web rosette program. Web rosette. So JDBC row set, cached row set, web row set. Three different purposes. If you want connected object, use JDBC row set. If you want disconnected object, use cached row set. If you want to generate XML file, use web row set. See, if you want to write to XML file, you use this one. If you want to display instead of this one, you can go for cached row set. If you want serialization, if you want Java Bean features, then row sets. Otherwise, result set. So result set, JDBC row set, cached row set, web row set, filtered row set, join row set. These many features are there. Depends upon application requirement, we have to use, we have to select. Is it over? So here driver loaded, here username, URL, username, password settled, SQL query settled, executed. Then we'll get a data in web row set object. So here first, here driver contain, it is only driver will be there. Data will be retrieved from database whenever this line is executed. Okay. When execute method is called, data comes to in this object. Up to that, there is no data in that object. Okay. Up to that, there is no data. Here, first driver loaded. Here, username, password, and URL settled, command settled, executed. Then data retrieved from database. Okay. Here, file open for writing in this line. It is a core Java concept. File input stream, file output stream. File input stream to read data from file. File output stream to write data to a file. Okay. R. Write XML FOS. Then WRS, web rosette data returned to this XML file. See, result set to JDBC rosette. Result set to JDBC rosette. What are the features? Result set to JDBC rosette. Result set to JDBC rosette. Serializable Java bean. And for getting result rosette, one class required. Three advantages. JDBC rosette to cached rosette, one. That is disconnected. Cached rosette to web rosette, writing to XML file. Okay. Remaining two rosettes not important. Remaining two rosettes are not important. Like total 5 rosettes are now. These two rosettes are not important. Just I'll give a description. Why it is not important, I'll explain. Next, filtered rosette. Filtered rosette. It is same as cached rosette. And additionally, it allows filtering operations on rosette data. It is same as cached rosette, and additionally, it allows filtering operations on rosette data. It is same as cached rosette, and additionally, it allows filtering operations on rosette data. It is same as cached rosette, and additionally, it allows filtering operations on rosette data. You observe, whatever you have studied about cached rosette, web rosette, filtered rosette, join rosette, these all same. These all serializable, disconnected, Java beans, as well as one class only required. Almost all features same. But cached rosette, printing purpose, it is suitable. Web rosette, writing web rosette data to XML file, it is suitable. But filtered rosette, filtering operations. Filtering operation, nothing but, for example, after getting this data, suppose cached rosette, I'll run. Cached rosette, I'll run. You'll get an output. After getting this data, this is now stored in rosette data, rosette object. Now, actually, this is came from table to rosette. The data is present permanently in the table database. Database table data stored in Java object. This is rosette. So here table was there, roll number, name, marks table. This is Oracle side. This is Java side. It is Oracle, we are calling table. Here Java, we are calling object. This data retrieved and stored in object. On this object, if you want to filter the data, suppose you want to display those who got 60 and above marks, or those who got 80 and above marks, or only roll number form data, or only roll number and name, or only name and marks, if you want to filter. So from this object, if you want to filter the data, from this object, if you want to filter the data, then we use filtered rosette. So this object data you can filter according to your requirement. According to your requirement, you can filter. Now, suppose you want to retrieve only roll number 4 data. You want to retrieve only roll number 4 data. Then you can retrieve. Suppose you want only those who got 70 and above marks. You can retrieve. But how to retrieve? Through Java methods. But instead of that, from table directly you can write SQL query filter. SQL queries you can write, you can filter the data. No? So Oracle to Java, again from Java you can retrieve, but directly Oracle to Java only you can filter. It is possible with SQL query. But here, if you want to use what you have tried, SQL query you have tried. Here if you want to use what you have tried, Java methods you have tried. Now here, instead of getting data again filtering directly with SQL queries only can filter. That's what it is best option instead of this one. Okay. And also, if everything possible, if it is Java, then it is suitable. But anyhow, you must learn SQL. You must depend on SQL. That's the reason this is best option. So you can write SQL queries. You can retrieve whatever you want. With SQL queries only you can filter. Select a query only, hundreds of types you can write. Select a query only. That's what, that is better. That's what filtered row set is not important. Okay. Next, join row set. It is same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to join two or more row sets data. It is same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to join two or more row sets data. It is same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to join two or more row sets data. It is same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to join two or more row sets data. You observe it is also not important. Why it is not important? I'll explain. Suppose it is one table. It is one table. It is one table. It is one more table. See, 3-4 students, what they are doing is, while teaching, they are using mobile. While giving a notes, they are writing notes. They are giving priority for notes, but they are not listening. While teaching, what they are doing, they are using mobile. While giving a notes, they are writing. So, in a classroom, highest priority listening. If listening is missed, everything missed. It is language. For language, first priority listening. Java is a language. See example, already you know three languages: English, Telugu, Hindi. Suppose you know three languages. Learn one more language. How much time it will take? You know English, Hindi, Telugu. Any one more language you learn. Either Kannada or Tamil or French, Japanese, Chinese, whatever it may be. One language. How much time it will take? More time it will take, no? And also learning language, reading, writing, listening, speaking. In these four, which one you have to do first? Listening. Next, speaking. Reading, writing later. Say example, your mother tongue. How you learn? Telugu or Hindi, whatever it may be, your mother tongue. How you learn? By listening and speaking. With that only got a language. After joining in a school, reading, writing. Before joining in a school only got a language. Before joining a school only got a language, no? With listening, speaking only got a subject, language. So here also listen. Later while asking question, give answer. That is only speaking. With that only you'll get a subject. But what they are doing is, while teaching, they are using mobile. While giving a notes, they are writing. That means they are giving a priority to notes only. They are not listening. You observe. No need to point out. Whether you are listening or using mobile, you know very well. Okay. I observed 3-4 members I observed. While teaching, they are using mobile. While giving a notes, they are writing notes. This is happening. Already many times I told. While sitting in a class, don't use mobile. Listening is highest priority. If listening is missed, attending class is waste. Now, Join row set. Join row set, you observe. It is same as cached row set. See, you observe while asking core Java questions, how many people are giving answer? Very few, no? Think yourself. Reason, I think you didn't listen properly. Listening only main problem. Majority people, they don't have a listening skills. They are concentrating on other things only. That is the main drawback. Writing, reading, nothing. First listening, giving answer is important. First priority listening. If listening is missed, attending class is waste. Say, online students, whether they are listening or not listening, I cannot see. But offline students, I can see, no? Online students, I am not responsible. That is their responsibility. Whether they are listening or not listening also, I cannot see. Okay? But offline student, that is your, myself, I can see. I can understand whether you are listening or not listening also. See, online students, what will happen? Whether you are listening or not listening, if I ask also, all people may not respond. You observe. Online students, how many people are listening? Just raise your hand. Online students, how many students are listening? Just raise your hand. You observe your total count 378. Year count you observe. 378 count is, you know, total number of students 378. But year, how many students raised your hand? You observe. You observe. Okay, few people, they do not know how to raise the hand also. Maybe happened. Okay, that will be happened. That will be happened. But definitely count will be less. You observe. See, out of 374, 176. Maybe 200. But remaining people not listening. Remaining people not listening. But offline student, I can see. See, observe. Total strength 378 in online. But how many people responded? You observe. That means they are not listening, no? If they are listening, they'll raise a hand. Okay, few people, they don't know how to raise a hand. But those many people will definitely, few people, maybe 10% people, they do not know how to raise a hand. But remaining people, they can respond, no? You observe, count is very less, no? 50% also not there. Okay? Here, 7 members, they given like a text message they given. Maybe that is the reason. Whatever I said, that is the reason. But here, you observe total 375. But 160, 170 came. This is a position. But offline student, you are attending class means attending class also waste. Now, listen. Daily if I motivate, my time waste, your time waste. Is it motivation class or Java class? So, listen and follow. But daily if I motivate, my time waste, your time waste. Same. Join row set. It is same as cached row set. And additionally, it allows to join 2 or more row sets data. So whatever you studied about cached row set, this is also same. What is additional functionality? Joining is possible. Suppose 2 tables are there. 2 tables. 2 tables are there. 2 different tables in a relational database management system. Joining is possible, no? Now, this is retrieved. 1 row set. This is retrieved. 1 more row set. Now, these 2 you can join. These 2 you can join as a 1 more row set. These 2 row sets data you can join. But instead of that, you can write SQL query. You can join these 2 directly. No? It is better, no? That's what it is not important. Here you are using SQL. Here you are using Java. Java methods required. But instead of learning Java methods, learn SQL. It will be useful. Because anyhow SQL compulsory. Okay? That Java methods, already know how to use Java library. With that knowledge, you can use if you want also. It is nothing. But SQL is compulsory. Instead of joining two or more row sets data, two tables you can join, you can bring one row set only with SQL query. That is better. That is the reason, not important. Okay. Up to here, row sets are completed. Last concept in JDBC, transaction management. Note on transaction management. Transaction management. Here, transaction management, it is little bit you will study here. Very depth, separate topic is there. Java transaction service, Java transaction API, that it comes under Spring Enterprise. Spring Enterprise topic, it is comes last topic in the Spring. See here transactions we have to manage. For example, you want to withdraw money. So you want to withdraw money, you want to deposit money, you want to transfer fund. These are called transactions. Transactions can have one operation also, more than one operation also. Suppose you are withdrawing money from your account only. One transaction which contains one operation. Withdraw money. You are withdrawing money from your account only. That is one transaction, one operation is there. You are depositing money in your account. That is also one transaction, one operation. Suppose transfer fund. You are transferring fund from your account to your friend account. Then two operations. One is withdraw, one is deposit. Say it is Java application. Money should be deducted from your account. Money should be deposited to your friend account. But it is totally called one transaction. It is totally called one transaction, and here two operations. One operation withdraw, one more operation deposit. Now money deducted from this account, it is successfully done, but money not deposited to this your friend account. Then what we have to do? We have to cancel this one also. That is called transaction managing. Now here you want to transfer fund from your account to your friend account. From your account, money deducted, it is success, but it is not deposited to your friend account. It is not deposited. Then what we have to do? Whatever is success also here, this is we have to cancel. Then again money deposited to your account. Reverse. This is we have to do. This is called transaction management. Now here transaction have two operations. This transaction has two operations. These two operations should succeed or fail as a unit. Two operations, one operation success, one operation failed. At last transaction is called failed only. One transaction may contains one or more operation. All operations should be succeeded or fail as a unit. Suppose in a transaction 10 operations are there. 9 success, 1 failed. At last it is called failed only. Like that. That is transaction management. This type of transactions, if you want to manage yourself, separate library is there. That is only Java transaction API. That is separate topic is there, Java transaction service. It comes under Spring Enterprise topic. Spring Enterprise, Spring Boot Enterprise, almost last topic in Spring framework. At the time you'll learn. Okay. Present here in a SQL prompt, after writing every SQL query, you are writing commit. You are writing commit now. That is you are going to save, or you can roll back, cancel. These are possible. Like that, through Java also possible. That is only possible here in JDBC. Okay, that is you are going to learn. But by default, automatically saved. That's what we didn't write commit. But here separate commit methods are there. If you want, you can cancel also, you can commit also. This is all possible. Just note down. Transaction can have one or more operations. Transaction can have one or more operation. Here, all operations of a transaction should be succeeded, or fail as a unit. Transaction can have one or more operations. Here, all operations of a transaction should be succeeded or fail or as a unit. Next, to manage transactions manually, we have the following methods. In java.sql.connection interface. To manage transactions manually, we have the following methods in java.sql.connection interface. To manage transactions manually, we have the following methods in java.sql.connection interface. See, transaction can have one or more operations. Maybe one operation or two operation or three operation, four operation, n number of. But here all operations of a transaction should be succeeded or fail as a unit. So all should success or fail as a unit. Like 10 operations are there, 9 success, 1 fail. It is also failed only. So as a unit. So all operations as a one unit. One is fail means all fail only, like at last fail only. We have to cancel. But how to manage? We have separate methods. We have the following methods in connection interface. What are the methods are there? I'll give. Is it over? Writing is over? Java P java.sql.connection. See, whatever I taught JDBC, don't forget in Soulets also we use JDBC. Soulets onwards, it is complete different. Whatever you are studying up to JDBC one type, after JDBC one more type. Java programming, different types will be there. Up to JDBC one type. Core Java, JDBC, almost same type is there. No? Next topic onwards, it is complete different. The way of programming is different. Further, main method will not be there, and programs we are not going to execute under operating system. We are going to execute under server software. So it is complete different. So JDBC up to JDBC one type, Soulets onwards one more type, frameworks onwards one more type. Three different types of programming will be there in Java. So Soulets onwards, it is complete different. Okay. And also JDBC compulsory. In Soulets also I'll use JDBC. Don't forget. Soulets onwards, real-time Java starts. Because Java made for internet applications. Internet application first topic Soulets. Internet application first topic Soulets. But directly Soulet not possible. That is the reason JDBC core Java required. Okay. Java made for internet application. Internet application first specification Soulets. So Soulets onwards, Java is very interesting. And with that Solid's knowledge, you can develop your own website also. It is possible. Online shopping, online login form, online registration form, online exams, online results, that type programs you are going to learn. But don't forget JDBC. This knowledge is required there also. Now, just after transaction management only, you will see Solids. Here, methods are there to manage transactions. These all methods required to manage transactions. Note down. Note down. Set auto commit. It is used to set the auto commit mode. It is used to get the auto commit mode. It is used to save the transaction. It is used to cancel the transaction. Note down. Set auto commit, get auto commit, commit, rollback, set save point. Again, set save point, release save point, rollback save point. Methods are there. These are methods to manage transactions manually we use. It is used to create save point. What is save point? I'll explain. It is used to create save point without name. It is used to create a save point with name. It is used to cancel the save point transactions. It is used to cancel the save point transactions. So one save point you can create, that in that save point you can write some transactions. Those all you can cancel. It is used to remove save point. Nothing but it is used to cancel the save point. Or remove save point, write it better. Remove save point. These are the methods we can use. So don't forget JDBC. JDBC code also I'll write in Saulets. In Saulet programming, JDBC code also will write. HTML, SQL, Java, Saulet, JDBC, all will write in a one program further. HTML code also will write. SQL code also will write. Even if you don't know HTML also, no need to worry. It is nothing. Very simple. So these many methods are there to manage transactions manually. These many methods are there to manage transactions manually. Is it over? Note here by default auto commit mode is true. Here by default auto commit mode is true. Here by default auto commit mode is true. Is it over? So these many methods are there to manage transactions manually. Completed? Not over? See, first set auto commit. If you write true, it is by default true only. If you want false, you can use this one. Auto commit mode becomes false. Whether auto commit true is there or false is there. If you want to check using this one, you can check. Okay. Commit. Explicitly you can commit the transaction. You can save. Explicitly you can cancel. Now, save point we can create. It is another way of controlling transaction management. We can create some save points. If you want, you can cancel that particular save point transactions. If we create a save point, if more than one save point is there, we'll go for this one. One save point is there, we'll go for this one. See, many save points are there. Identification purpose, one name will write. That save point you can identify. That is particular save point you can cancel. If you want to remove the save point, you can remove. This is all possible. Now you observe. Suppose insert program, I'll open insert demo. In this insert demo, you observe. Here I'll open SQL prompt. Connection system manager. Select star from student. Now, say 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. 3 deleted, 5 deleted. Roll number 7 last. Now 8 I want to insert. Say here I'll write 8. Triple H. Like this I written. Now, if I run this program, say right click, run as Java application. Okay. One record inserted successfully. You can check. See roll number 8. See already told no. Wherever table space is there, they're inserted. You cannot give a guarantee at last. Now, roll number 8 inserted. Now, here I didn't commit. Reason auto commit is there. Suppose what I'll do in this program, roll number 9 I'll insert. 9. Now, before this only, one statement I'll write. Connection dot set auto commit false. Okay. Now false are written. Now you observe. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. Now what you got it here? One record inserted successfully, but not inserted. You can see. See, any roll number 9 is there? No. Previously, auto commit mode 2 was there. Now auto commit mode false are given. Until you commit, it is not going to be saved. That is temporarily stored, but permanently not stored. Temporarily in the RAM saved, but permanently in the hard disk it is not saved. If you want to do that one, commit explicitly we have to write. But these all methods, if you want to do, if you want to use, first of all, this is your write false. Then only this operation we can perform. Because by default auto commit mode true is there. If you write remaining also no use. Automatically saved. If you write false, if you want to save, call this one again commit. If you want to cancel, use this. If you want to create save points, those save points only if you want to cancel, use this. How to use these all, I'll explain tomorrow class. Okay. Tomorrow, transaction management. Just in JDBC, last concept, transaction management. After that, you will see solids. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Online student, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, 1 minute. I'll clarify your doubt. Prashant Reddy generated XML file. Here, what will happen is, see, in WRS demo. Here, you have tried file output stream. One file name you have tried. WRS dot write XML FOS. Then file is going to be generated in Eclipse workspace. See, my Eclipse workspace is on desktop 4 p.m. batch folder. Here JDBC in that generated. Next, Dell. Google Classroom link, just contact admin only. Deepak, what is your doubt? Upper part means which topic upper part? Just 1 minute wait. Online. Online students. Gopal, 4 methods. I didn't get. Subhash, filtered row set description. Filtered row set description. This is filtered row set, join row set. Nagababu, Bharat Kumar. Yeah, I'll update the notes. Yeah, I'll update the classroom. Lakshmi. Oracle web row set problem is importing problem. Just you need to add jar file. Joshi. HTML, CSS, JavaScript now present, not compulsory, but further you learn. It will be useful. Ashtosh. Only XML. Yes, only XML. Shweta. Yeah, notes I'm updating, but topic wise, I'm updating. Topic wise. Subhash, yeah, notes up to today class. I'll share. Tarun, file not found exception means that is path you have tried properly. Venkata Sai, If you want to manage transaction manually, you have to write false, otherwise true. Tarun, file not found exception means that is your path mistake only. Path you have to write properly. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow.